Who is the President of the United States?
Looking.
The President of the United States of America is Barack Obama.
Okay, I found this on the web for who is the President of the United States.
Okay, so sometimes when Siri doesn't know something, it just Googles it or Bings it or just searches the web and gives you that instead. How tall is he?
He's 6 feet 1 inch tall.
I believe someone just asked me this the other day. Give me a sec. Here's what I found on the web for how tall is United States.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, that's great. How tall? Yeah, so Google, as you can see, is more conversational. This is a big pro of it, is that it can use context clues to talk about what you were previously talking about, where Siri might not remember. But if you just ask straight up, they can both tell you. So, how tall is Barack Obama?
Let's see.
6 feet 1
Barack
inch.
Obama is 6 feet 0.8 inches tall.
So there you can see, if you just revoice the question, Siri can give you the full answer. Who won the Super Bowl?
The Super
The
Bowl was
Panthers
won
were
by the
defeated
Denver
by the
Broncos.
Broncos in the Super Bowl on February 7th, 2016. The final score was 24-10.
So that time, again, Siri gave me more than I asked for. Google just said the Broncos won, but Siri gave me the date, the score, who won, and a box score. Who's the quarterback?
I'm
Trevor
afraid I can't
Siemian,
answer that.
Paxton Lynch, and others are quarterbacks for the Denver Broncos.
So same thing as last time. If you just ask who's the quarterback, Siri doesn't know, but you'd have to ask who's the quarterback of the Denver Broncos. Did the Clippers win?
On
The
April
Clippers edged the
29th,
Kings
the
by
Los
a score
Angeles
of
Clippers played the
92-89
Portland
last
Trailblazers.
Tuesday.
The final score was 106 to 103 Blazers.
Okay, this is kind of funny because on the left, you're actually getting preseason games. The Clippers just played the Kings in the preseason, so Yahoo Sports is really good, but Google's still telling me the last regular season game we played, which was losing to the Trailblazers in the playoffs last season. What song is this?
Here's an answer
Let me
from
listen.
Wikipedia.
Okay, so that failed on Google Assistant, but the funny part is if I actually go to Google now and ask, what song is this? It actually works
Sounds
still.
to me like four. Sweatpants by Childish Gambino.
Seems like Assistant is just a little half-baked.
You're listening to IV Sweatpants by Childish Gambino.
What is mitochondria?
Here's some information.
Mitochondrion, an organelle found in large numbers in most cells in which the biochemical processes of
Right,
respiration
right. Yeah, it's the powerhouse of the cell. Google likes to talk a lot. What is the capital of Nepal?
Kathmandu is the capital of
Kathmandu
Nepal.
is the capital of Nepal.
Okay. What time is it there?
In Durbar Marginal.
The time in Kathmandu, Nepal is 12:27 a.m. on Friday.
All right, so far so good. What is the population?
The
The
population
population
of
of
Kathmandu is
Kathmandu
about
was 1.003 million in
2,510,000.
2011.
Okay, so Siri actually was conversational that time, but for some reason we got different numbers from Google or Siri. Depends on who you trust.